Seaweeds are an algae. They're not actually a plant. They're completely different from land plants, and they're an algae. But at Seaflora, we have a saying that all seaweed is algae, but not all algae is seaweed. And what that means is there are algae that grow in freshwater, like spirulina or blue-green algae. And while they are algae, they are not seaweed because they grow in freshwater. Whereas seaweed, the algae known as seaweed, only grows in saltwater, only grows in our planet's oceans. And so there can be a little bit of bait and switch that happens in marketing within our industries, and that products and ingredients will be shown with all of the health benefits of seaweeds, and they'll just term them algae. Algae has this benefit, this benefit, this benefit. It's good for this. But the algae that they're using would be a spirulina or a blue-green algae, and not a true seaweed that grows in the ocean that has all of those health benefits. It means that Seaflora products have more species of seaweeds with more unique properties and more vitamins and minerals than any other skincare formulation on the market.